Hello, this is Priyadashni Balasubramani. Today I am going to show you how to create a clone of your sprite on Scratch. By the end of this tutorial, you will familiar with the three blocks which are when I start as a clone, create clone of myself and delete this clone. Let's get started. I am going to create some magical star. So I just delete this sprite. So we need some backdrop. I'm going to pick a backdrop from library. Let's check whether we have some here we have the galaxy. Hope this is very fit for our project because I'm going to create some magical star. So then I'm going to pick a star which is a sprite of our project. So here we go. This is the sprite. We are going to create a clone of this sprite. In the category control, we have a block called create clone of myself. When I click this block, you may see we have the clone of this sprite. Again, I clicking this one. You can see we can create a clone of the sprite. So I want to create the clone of this sprite. When I clicking this one, so I go to the event category and picking the block when this sprite clicked. Let's check how it's work. When I click this sprite, the clone has created like this. So you can see our star is locating somewhere when I running the project each time. So when I click the green flag, it should go at the center of the stage. So I go to the motion category and pick the go to block and set x and y value as 0, which is the center position of the stage. So let's check. Yeah, it's worked perfectly. Then I just want to create the clone of the sprite forever. So I want to put this block inside the forever loop. So I pick the forever block from the category control. Also I need to add some animation. I go to the motion category and pick go to. I set mouse pointer. You may see after clicking this sprite, the clone is created. Also it's following my mouse pointer, right? So you can see there are a lot of clones are created. So I just want to delete this clone after some time. I just stop this one. We have the block in the control category called delete this clone. So when I was to delete the clone, when I start as a clone, it should be deleted after some times. So let's check. When I dragging the sprite, it's moving along with my mouse pointer, but the clone is not there because it's deleted straight away when it's created. So we have to put some control block, which is wait block. After some times it should deleted. I set time as 0.5 second. You can see the created clone as deleted after 0.5 seconds. To add some innovation, I'll go to the look category and pick the change color block and put it inside the forever loop. You can see how it's look like. Okay, so in this way we can create a clone of a sprite, and we may delete the sprite whenever it wants. Sorry, we may delete the clone whenever we want, like this. Hope you enjoyed this session. Thank you for watching. Bye.